Keeping your plants healthy starts with knowing when to water, and that's exactly what a reliable soil moisture meter helps you do. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 soil moisture meters on Amazon, designed to help your garden thrive. Let's begin with the XLUX 9118 soil moisture meter, one of the most trusted and best-selling analog moisture meters on the market. It features a simple color-coded dial that indicates whether your soil is dry, moist, or wet, using a scale from 1 to 10. What makes this meter a top pick is its ease of use. No batteries required, no digital setup, just insert and read. The 7-inch probe easily reaches most root zones in pots, raised beds, or garden plots, and it gives results within seconds. With over 60,000 ratings and an average score of 4.5 stars, it's clear that this model delivers accurate, consistent results. It's ideal for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike who want a no-fuss way to avoid overwatering or underwatering their plants. Next is the XLUX Long Probe Soil Moisture Meter. This version of the XLUX meter builds on the original design but features a longer 12.2-inch probe, which makes it perfect for deeper pots, large containers, and outdoor planters where the surface moisture may not reflect what's going on down at the roots. The longer probe is particularly useful for trees, tall houseplants, and other deep-rooted species. Like the original, this model is battery-free and features the same dependable analog readout. If you're working with plants that have extensive root systems, or if you often struggle with inconsistent watering and deep soil, this long probe meter is exactly what you need. Third on our list is the Sonkir MS02 3-in-1 Soil Tester, a multifunctional analog meter that measures not only soil moisture but also light levels and soil pH. With its switchable modes, this tool helps you get a full picture of your plant's environment in one go. The pH sensor helps you determine if your soil is too acidic or too alkaline, while the light meter indicates whether your plants are receiving enough sunlight. The 7.9-inch probe makes it suitable for both garden beds and indoor planters. While the pH reading is more of a rough guide than a precise measurement, the moisture sensor itself is very reliable. This meter is ideal for hobbyist gardeners who want a broader understanding of plant health beyond just moisture content. Up next is the VIVOSUN 3-in-1 Soil Tester, another excellent analog option for those who want moisture, light, and pH monitoring in a single tool. Much like the Sonkir MS02, this device operates without batteries and features a simple toggle switch to move between measurement modes. It's designed with indoor and outdoor use in mind, making it great for houseplants, balcony gardens, or full outdoor beds. VIVOSUN is a well-known brand in gardening and hydroponics, and this tool reflects that reputation with solid build quality and a user-friendly interface. If you're looking for a tool that helps you diagnose multiple soil issues at once, the VIVOSUN meter is a great asset. Finally, we have the Gouevn Soil Moisture Meter. This is one of the best budget-friendly options on Amazon, earning praise from publications like Bob Villa for its value and performance. The analog dial offers straightforward dry-to-wet readings, and the 7.7-inch probe is long enough to check root-level moisture without being bulky. It's an excellent option for those who want a simple, reliable meter without spending a lot. This tool is especially handy for those with multiple houseplants or a modest garden setup. Like the others, it doesn't require batteries and is ready to use right out of the box. For the price, it delivers impressive consistency and is ideal for casual gardeners or anyone just getting started with plant care.